Good morning, students. I myself, Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School, Nevada, and welcome to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my second video lecture of lesson 12, and the topic is Indian industries. In my previous video, I have already discussed you important factors for an industry. In this video today I am going to explain you about some other factors to start an industry, and these factors are money, transportation and market. Money, that is also known as financial. Yes, money is the most important resource for setting up an industry. Why? Because it is needed to buy land, raw materials, machines, and to pay wage to workers. So without money, wage cannot be paid to workers, machines cannot be bought, and raw materials, lands are also possible only due to money. Now we come to know about other factor, and that is transportation. Yes, it is an essential factor required to bring raw materials, because without transportation raw materials cannot be brought to the factory and cannot send to finished cannot send the finished products to different markets of the country and all over the world. So transportation is also an important factor to set up an industry. Now we come to the other factor, and this other factor is market. Yes, market is an essential factor because it provides a place for selling the finished products. The nearer is the industry to its market, the cheaper is its transportation cost. It means when a market is closer to the factory, the finished goods can be bought very cheap. Now we come to know about different types of industries. Yes, there are many types of industries in our country, India. Let us learn about it. When we study, we find there are three major types of industries: cottage industry, a small scale industry, and large scale industry. Now we come to know first of all about cottage industry. What is a cottage industry? A cottage industry is set up by people in their homes. A skilled craft persons are those who use simple tools for production in these industries. These industries use raw materials that are available close by, like as weaving cloths on handlooms, extracting coconut oil, grinding flour and spices are some of the examples of cottage industries. Some cottage industries manufactures toys, baskets, leather goods, and other handicrafts. Indian cottage industries mostly employ family members for manufacturing activities. So, like this, it is a cottage industry. Now we come to know about a small scale industry. Yes, what is a small scale industry? A small scale industry uses a small machines and employs more people than a cottage industry. Its capital investment is more than 25 lakh but does not exceed 15 crores. When we study about it, we find a small scale industries make hosiery items, electric and electronic parts, cycle and motorcycle parts. They also make automobile parts, furniture and clothes on power loom, handloom and utensils, etc. Now we come to know about large scale industries. Yes, what is a large scale industry? A large scale industry is A large scale industry is a very big manufacturing industry. It employs thousands of workers to produce goods in very large quantities. Huge machines are used for this purpose. And when we study about these examples, yes, some examples of large scale industries are textile industry, petroleum refinery, and various types of alloy manufacturing industries. Shipbuilding and iron and steel factories are also examples of large scale industries. They play a pivotal role in national development. So which type of industries plays or play a vital role? Large scale industries. Thank you. Have a nice day.